I'm going to try to record this as well as I can. I think it's some sort of mushroom. I don't know mushrooms, but it's very slimy like a mushroom, and looks like it's black or dark purple. Has like a white film on it. That one's broken off on the tip. They're only about 1.5 inches up out of the ground, and I have no idea what they are. They are growing under an oak, 2 oaks. No, an oak and a walnut and a almost dead apple and a definitely dead tree. They are closest to this pawpaw seedling, not seedling, but young pawpaw tree. But I have no idea what they are. Okay, so where's the mushroom ID guy? Who can laugh at me and say, "You're crazy, lady. That's not a mushroom." And then I'm wondering what they are and if they're indicative of anything else. Oh, is this one too? Yeah, that one looks like it's laying over and has a, oh, I don't want to break it. It feels like it's going to pull out like a white tip on the top. So there, and there's another right there and right there.